Welcome to the Inverted Pyramid Prezi for your COM 1019 course. The title of the presentation is the Inverted Pyramid, and we start with an explanatory video on what the inverted pyramid style of communication is.
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the inverted pyramid style of writing. I'm going to explain what the inverted pyramid is, the benefits of this style, and how to write in this way. With its origins in journalism, this method of starting with your conclusion is called the inverted pyramid style. It is used both in journalism and in writing for the web. It can also be called front-loading your content. It means you should put your most important information first. This structure is called an inverted pyramid simply because it is an upside-down pyramid with the most important information at the top and the least important information at the bottom. Starting with your conclusion when writing for the web has many benefits. Readers can quickly assess the value of your content and can decide whether they want to stay on your page and read your entire article. Readers can stop reading at any position and still come away with your main point. With this structure, the first few sentences on your web page will contain most of your relevant keywords. This will boost your search engine optimization. If you also front-load each paragraph, you allow your readers to skim through the first sentences of every paragraph to get a quick overview of your entire article. Journalists are taught to write news stories in this inverted pyramid style. They front-load their story, putting the essential and most attention-grabbing elements first, followed by supporting or explanatory information. The least important information is at the bottom. This style allows newspaper readers to skim their newspapers for a quick news update. They can choose to read only partway through an article, knowing that the information they fail to read at the end is not going to be as important as the information at the beginning. This style also has the advantage of allowing editors to chop off the bottom of articles at any point, so that the story will fit into the required space on a newspaper page. When the least important information is at the bottom, articles can be easily shortened by editors without damaging the structure of the story. Front-loading is different to the style you were taught in school or university for essay writing. To write an essay, you start with an introduction and you gradually build up to your conclusion. To write effectively for the web, you need to do the opposite and come to the point immediately. This style calls for a very direct approach. If you spoke in this manner, it might be considered blunt and perhaps a little rude, but it is the preferred style for internet users. So be direct. Make your point first, then explain it. Research has shown that by front-loading your web content, you are more likely to keep your readers on the page. Today's internet users are impatient for results. If they cannot quickly and easily assess your article for points of interest, they are likely to leave your web page and go search for an alternative that is easier to skim and scan.
So to reiterate some of those points, why the inverted pyramid? Front-loading is the practice of stating your conclusion first and then expanding it second. This allows readers quick access to the most important info, allows readers to stop reading early and still get the main point, results in keyword-rich writing and can boost your SEO or search engine optimization, and enhances skimmability and scannability. Differences between inverted pyramid and essay writing. First, we'll start with essay writing. Essay writing looks like a right side up pyramid in that you start small and work up to the big stuff. Reader has to wait until the end to get the main point. This is okay because people usually are willing to spend more time reading traditional communication. Whereas virtual communication, the point comes first. This helps capture and hold the reader's attention. It allows the reader to quit reading early and makes for easy editing and revision. Thank you, and that was the inverted pyramid.